This one is one of the most powerful features in YouTube so far. Basically, a way to add length to a released video. And you're probably a bit confused by now. You see, Irenoyd here, Irenoyd there, what's going on? Let me explain. If you look at the runtime of this video, over here, you will probably see that it's 3 minutes long. Except, that is a lie. Depending on when you're watching this video, it can be anything from 3 minutes to 6 minutes or even more. And this is gonna break YouTube. That is going to be hard to clean. I'm going to regret this. Technically, this video is 3 minutes long. At least this iteration of the video. However, the audio is longer than that. Let's explain this more in detail. A while ago, YouTube added a new feature called audio tracks that allow you to have basically different languages within a video. So what, Irenoyd, why are you telling me this now? Well, because you can use this feature as a magician to obtain something else. Now, you can check out here on mobile and here on a PC, and you will see there are multiple audio tracks. So what, you added more audio tracks? This video is not in other languages, or at least, not really. What you're watching now is the English video, the English version of this video. There is also another language called Klingon. What's Klingon? Klingon is a fictional language from the movie Star Trek. Now, why YouTube give you the option to select a language as Klingon? I have no idea, but it's cool and fun. And most importantly, we can use that. But how are we going to change a fixed time? Well, with a trick. Now, we can add a audio track in this language, but we actually speak in English. And this way, we are going to extend the length of this video. The first part of this video is this current timeline in the Irenoyd multiverse. And the second part of this video will be in Klingon. And the third part of this video will be in another language. So when you finish your video, you will have to rewind, go back to the beginning of this video to follow the video. And in this way, we can say virtually the video is double long. And for the third part of this video, you will have to reverse again and watch the entire video again 3 times. So it will be like the video kept going on and on. And it's not 3 minutes. You cannot say it's 3 minutes because it's longer. So you now understand the trick, and it's time to switch your language. Go here if you are on mobile, and go here if you are on PC, and switch to Klingon. So now that you switch language, you have to go at the beginning of this video, so you will rewind, and listen to this video again. Enjoy! Thanks to all the collaborators of this video.